Hello there, my friends, and welcome to this GotBackUp video training series. It's Amazing Angela from partnerangela.com. Now, in this video, I will be showing you how to recognize your team members' achievements. Maybe you received an email from admin saying one of your team members has ranked up, or maybe you're just looking in your back office and wondering how the feature works. Let me go ahead and show you exactly how to work this. I'm going to share my screen. Log into your back office here and then go to My Business and scroll down, go to Recognition and Rank Up. Okay, so here you will be able to see all the team members categorized by the different ranks. Now you can actually select a month and you can change the number here, or you can search for particular username or full name if you're curious to know how a certain member is doing. And then if you find a member that you want to congratulate, what you do is just go ahead and click Say Congratulations, okay? Now, what this is going to do is it's going to pull out a blank. It might be blank or it might have a picture there. If it doesn't have a picture, it means you have to download the picture from Facebook and then upload it onto the platform by clicking here. So once you upload the picture, it's actually going to show up here. And once it does, then you can actually pick it from there. And that, voila, that's what it looks like. You don't have to worry about designing this. All you have to do really is upload the photo that you want to go there, if the photo is not there yet. And then go ahead and click download the template, which downloads this onto your computer. And then you go onto your Facebook. You go onto your Facebook profile page right here. And then you can go ahead and upload it onto your Facebook profile. So you can see here, this is one that I uploaded. And it's a great way to support your team members. And if you want, I always send them as well the image so they can use it whatever way they want. Now, if you wanted to, you could go to the GotBackUp group right here, and then you could congratulate them in the group as well. Okay, so that's a great way for you to actually utilize this feature, celebrate your team's wins, and offer them support in any way that you can. So yeah, if you haven't done this, if you've received those emails, you can go ahead and congratulate them. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me here. I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. And if you found value in the video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the Amazing Angela from partnerangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.